In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a basic assignment tracker in Notion. This tutorial will guide you through setting up a simple and organized system to track assignments, deadlines, and progress, all within Notion. One of the biggest advantages of using Notion is that it allows you to create trackers easily with ready-made templates. These templates save time and help ensure your tracker is structured, consistent, and easy to use without starting from scratch. To start, log into your Notion account and go to your homepage. From there, click Marketplace. In the search bar, type Assignment Tracker, and you'll see a variety of templates designed to help you get started quickly. Depending on your needs, you might find templates for school assignments, work projects, or personal task tracking. Take a moment to browse the options and see which template best matches the type of assignments you want to track. Once you find a template that fits your needs, click the template thumbnail to preview it. Previewing the template gives you a closer look at the layout, included sections, and overall structure. This step is important because it ensures the template covers all the elements you need, such as assignment titles, due dates, priorities, and completion status. After confirming that the template works for you, click Add. You can add the template to your personal workspace or a shared workspace if others need access. After the template has been added, click on it to open it in Notion. Here, you can edit and customize the tracker to fit your assignments. You can adjust headings, add or remove sections, set up reminders, and modify properties like due dates, priorities, or status to match your workflow. The key benefit of using a template is that it provides a ready-made structure, so you don't have to spend time designing your tracker from scratch. This makes it easy to stay organized, meet deadlines, and track progress effectively. And that's it. You've successfully built a basic assignment tracker in Notion using a template, making it simple to manage assignments, stay on top of deadlines, and keep everything organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.